size of this house is tiny, right? Inside. What are you hoping to get on a reval?
425.
Okay, just here with Team Bonnick now on in Nottinghamshire, and this is a very interesting story around this. So you're going to tell us, like, you purchased this property at how much?
135.
And Courtney sourced this deal and he's brought you in as part of the team, right? Yeah, and he told you it was going to be what? Strategy.
Yeah, flip to make some money, to use the money into another project going forward. But obviously we've chose to.
But yeah, but problems happen, right?
Yeah.
Like, and it's not like do they happen or not. It's like they will happen. How do you handle it? So what happened? Like you were going to do a flip, but then you said the market changed.
Yeah, the market changed. Liz Truss came into power.
So what was it? What number changed? Was it the GDV? The selling price was not going to happen, or
Yeah, the selling price, the finance change and everything like that. And then, you know, we've always been taught.
Oh, the interest rates shot up.
Yeah.
Okay, that changed the game.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So then what did you do? Because now looks like you got a different plan.
Yeah. So, you know, we always going with 3 exits. So it was either a flip, HMO, or SA.
Nice.
You know, this property couldn't be an SA. We thought, you know, we know the area. We know HMOs work in this area. So we thought, you know, let's
Good.
go for a HMO.
So HMOs work in this area definitely, but the size of this house is tiny, right? Inside. Yeah. So how are you going to turn it into a HMO?
With a bit of vision from our architect that we work with, he came in. Another architect said it could only be 4 beds without any en suites or anything like that. I was like, no chance, let's go.
And then you got someone from the tribe.
Yeah,
to
that's
come and
right.
help you.
Yeah, and he came in. You know, we did spent a couple of hours here. He came in with his laser, and he was like, yeah, it can be, you know, 6 rooms. 2 of them are studios, and the rest are en suites.
Brilliant. So you're going to do a massive extension out here, right?
Yeah.
So this is further than permitted development.
Yeah, we had to go in for full planning.
Full planning. Yeah. But it's going to be worth it on the back end, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you hoping to get on a reval?
Reval 425.
On the 6th, okay, good. And like if it's fully tenanted, what are you hoping to be?
We should net around 1,500 calendar month.
Good. So will you get all the money back out invested?
Yeah, all the money back plus around 30k.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. So look, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
You know, so you're starting off as a flip, but now you're going to have a retained asset that's going to cash flow every month, but also 30k tax-free money. Which what's like the plans are? Are you going to go on holiday, or are you going to just recycle it? Get some therapy? Well,
We're going to invest it. That's where we're going to invest it.
just invest it and go again.
Yeah.
Yeah. But also have fun as well,
Oh
right?
yeah, you got to.
You take care of yourself. Go on
Oh.
a little party or a little trip or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant. So, apart from all the interest rates, any other problems that have happened up to this point?
Wow. Party wall again.
So you've had to underpin this? Oh my goodness.
Underpin it. As you can see, the materials have literally just arrived today.
So you're going to underpin it, but we just heard that some other structural engineers who have done work on these type of properties, other people were not bringing it to the table, that there was no foundations. So what that means that there's people out there who are doing rogue stuff, but that's not you guys. Yeah, you're doing everything. Even though it's costing more money, it's eating into the project, the time and the money. You still chose the right route. Why?
Why? Because you've got to do the right thing for the right reason. You know, that's the only way to discover, you know, our true potential.
Yeah. So look, if you could have any advice from both your perspectives of anyone who's like, well, I would love to do this for myself, but I don't know how. Like, what advice would you give them?
Definitely, you know, get educated. That's the first thing. Whether, yeah, there's the whole host of, you know, material on YouTube and stuff like that, or, you know, partner with someone like you guys.
The right team,
Yeah.
I'd like keep helping you progress.
Mm.
Make sure you're not getting ripped off and stuff like that.
Good. Yeah, so would you say like a big part of you staying in the game and, you know, to turn this one around has been the team?
Absolutely, you know, yeah, the power team's everything, really. You know, we're not builders, we're not, you know, structural engineers, so collating the right team of, you know, experts and champions around you, that's the way for everyone to win, really.
Well,
collaboration.
One of the biggest things that stops people is like they don't believe in themselves that they could do this. Like they're like, oh, I don't have the money or I don't have the know-how. Like, so what advice would you give to those people?
The road evolves, you know, step by step. You just keep taking the steps and asking people that have done it before you the right questions, and, you know, learn from their knowledge and experience. And
you got to believe in yourself.
yeah, exactly.
Start believing in stuff. If you don't believe in stuff, then you're not going to progress to anything, are you?
Yeah.
And
you guys are
worthy of
family
anything.
as well, yeah. So has it all been smooth running, or has there been some heated moments?
Oh,
Like,
no, it's not been smooth running at all.
so how have you guys kept kept it all
Because we are
together.
family, and this has been our life since we were little. Our dad used to do stuff like this, so we've always known that at the end of the day we're family. We've got to come together and make sure that we're still tight. I love my brother, I love my sister, and I love my family. So yeah,
Beautiful.
make sure.
So now it can be amazing. You guys can do stuff like this
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Nice one, team. Yeah, I love it.